Forage Mail AI has just been released and it's already generating some serious buzz. But is it really the best AI software for your email marketing needs? Let's break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool. Stick around until the end because I'm going to reveal why it might just be your new go-to solution for smarter email campaigns. First off, Forage Mail AI is designed to simplify your email marketing, taking the guesswork out of creating personalized, high-converting campaigns. It uses advanced machine learning to analyze user data and deliver tailored content based on individual preferences. If you've ever struggled to create the perfect email sequence, this software might be exactly what you're looking for. One of the standout features is its AI-powered copywriting tool. It doesn't just generate generic text. It learns the tone, voice, and style that resonate with your audience. That means you're not just getting any email content, you're getting content that converts. It's perfect for marketers who want high-quality results without spending hours writing or tweaking their copy. Another powerful feature is the automated segmentation. Forage Mail AI can analyze your email list and automatically categorize contacts based on their behavior, location, or engagement level. This allows you to send highly targeted campaigns that speak directly to your subscribers' interests. The result? Better engagement, higher open rates, and ultimately more sales. It also offers advanced A/B testing. You don't have to manually experiment with different subject lines, copy, or CTAs anymore. Forage Mail's AI does it for you, testing and optimizing different versions of your emails to ensure you're always sending the most effective campaigns. When it comes to analytics, Forage Mail AI really shines. Its reporting dashboard provides in-depth insights into how your campaigns are performing. You'll get metrics on open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and much more, all in real time. This allows you to make data-driven decisions, improving future campaigns and boosting ROI. Another great thing about this software is its ease of use. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find the interface intuitive and user-friendly. You can quickly set up campaigns, design emails, and schedule them, all with a few clicks. It's designed to save you time, so you can focus on other important aspects of your business. One thing I want to mention is the cost. Forage Mail AI offers a free trial, which you can access from the first link below. This is perfect for anyone who wants to test it out without any commitments. If you're serious about improving your email marketing, the paid plans are reasonably priced and offer great value for the features included. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that after testing thousands of AI tools, I've found some great alternatives, which I've also linked in the description. These AI tools can help take your email marketing to the next level, and many of them offer free trials too. If you're looking for a solution that takes the guesswork out of email marketing and uses cutting-edge AI to maximize your results, Forage Mail AI is worth checking out. Don't forget to try it for free using the link below and explore the best AI tools for your business.